Most people feel nervous before an exam. This is normal. Although stress is a personal thing and can affect people in different ways, here are some tips on how to reduce stress before the IELTS speaking test. Think positive. Stress is caused by the way you think. If you imagine a negative experience during your exam, for example, not being able to understand the questions, you will start to panic a little. It is important to realize that you have no idea how the exam will go until you take it. It could be much easier than you expect. Before you go into the exam, try to remember a test that you took in the past which was much easier than you had expected. Sleep and exercise. Try to get a good night's sleep before the exam and start the day with a healthy breakfast. Doing some exercise is also a good idea. Go for a run, walk or swim. This will take your mind off the exam and help you to relax. Think about the examiner. Try to be aware of the examiner's perspective. A professional examiner has been in this situation hundreds of times and does not want you to fail. You are certainly not the first nervous candidate. If you step back and think about the big picture, you will relax more. Focus on the questions. During the exam, if you focus on the questions, you won't have time to get stressed. If you don't understand or didn't hear something, ask the examiner to explain or repeat it, as I discussed in an earlier video. Imagine a conversation. Try to think of the exam as a conversation with an acquaintance of yours, especially for parts 1 and 3. If you go into the exam thinking that you're going to take a test, you will put more pressure on yourself.